So in this video, I'm going to show you how to design and animate this text messaging effect within PowerPoint. Starting with a blank slide, go to Insert, Shapes, and Rounded Rectangle, then add a shape somewhat like this. Use the yellow circle to make this as rounded as possible. Now, hold Ctrl and D to duplicate it, and then make it a little bit taller and reduce the roundedness of this shape. Make it a little bit slimmer and position it somewhat like this. Now, once you have this arrangement ready, select both of these shapes and go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, and Union. Now, insert another rounded rectangle and position it somewhat like this. Now, once you have this arrangement ready, select the combined shape first and then the regular shape. Now go to Shape Format again, Merge Shapes, and Subtract. And that's how you can make this shape for the text message. To make it look a little better, change the shape outline to no outline and the shape fill to gradient, and choose this dark variation linear down gradient. Now right click the shape and click on Format Shape. Now click on Fill and change the gradient stop end to a dark purple. Now select this middle slider and drag it down to remove it. If you desire, you can also interchange the positions of these sliders to get a different look. Now once you're done designing the shape of the text message, go to Insert, Text Box, and add a text box inside the shape to type in your text message. Now position it a little bit better to align with the center and change the text fill to white. You can also increase the size if you so prefer. Now you can go ahead and create as many of these shapes as you need. Now once you have the text messages ready, you can animate them as you saw in the preview by selecting all of the objects and text, then press Ctrl G to group them, or right click, group, and then group. Now, once you've done this, go to Shape Format, Align, and Align Center. Now on the first slide, position it so that only the first text message is visible. Now, go ahead and duplicate the slide and move the text messages upward so the second text message is visible. Now repeat this for as many text messages as you have. Now right-click the background and click on Format Background, then change the color to black, and then click on Apply to All. Now select all of these slides, go to Transitions, and select Morph. Then change the duration to 0.5 seconds. Now let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.